Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Clock app and tap on it. But you can also click on Clock widget on your display, and it's basically the same thing. If you want to set up your alarm, remember to click on this alarm icon over here if it's not already on, and tap on the plus icon. Then you can set up an hour, and when you're done, click on ringtone. Over here you can pick one of these melodies or click on all ringtones. Set up one of these ones by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can also click on all ringtones again, choose local ringtone over here, and pick music from your device by tapping on one of these sources, clicking on the song and saving your changes by tapping OK at the top right corner. Then go back again and tap on repeat. Over here you can select once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so I have to click on this option and pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Wednesdays. Then click OK. Now you can click on the switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable vibrations, and tap on label. Label your alarm however you want to and click at the top right corner. To save your alarm, tap at the top right corner again. And as you can see, now my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and picking one of the options. You can turn it back on by clicking at the same switcher. If you want to delete your alarm, hold it, tap on this pin icon over here, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!